Yo, what is up, boys? Today is Motovlog Day, and today we are on everybody's favorite bike, the e-bike. Now, before I get started, this video is kind of bittersweet, if you will. So if you saw by the title and thumbnail of this video, you would notice that it says the end of an era. Now, right from the beginning, before we get started, you're probably wondering, Dylan, are you selling your e-bike? Okay, and I'm going to tell you right now, straight up in the beginning of the video, no, absolutely not. That will never happen. This bike has got a very special place in my heart. But to catch you up to speed, 2 days ago, as of filming this, voromotors posted this picture on Instagram, and basically it says that they are discontinuing this bike so they can work on version 2.0 and work on some of their other dirt bikes that their electric dirt bikes that I imagine have gotten super popular over the time because they're a lot of performance for a very good price. So yes, right off the bat, no, okay, we are not selling it. Now you also notice that it is dark kind of, and we are riding into the sunset, and I figured what better way to say thank you to this bike than to ride it off into the sunset and slowly on into a little bit of the night, because like I said, this bike has a very special place in my heart. Without this bike, I would not have grown at the speed and the way that I did, if that makes any sense. So I have gone back between every single platform. I post on all the platforms. I post on Snapchat, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, basically every platform that you can post videos to or short form content to, I post on. And I went through every single one of the e-bike videos and found how many views this bike has pulled all together. And are you guys ready for an insane number? Gosh, this is so cool. So between all platforms, across every single platform, this bike has brought on Instagram, on the Instagram Reels, I posted 11 videos with this e-bike. In 11 videos, we did 94,000 views. 94,000. On YouTube, videos and YouTube shorts included. In 28 of them, we did 128,000 views. And then on TikTok, mind you, I've only done the big three. I'm not including Snapchat, and I know Snapchat has one that did 40,000. So this is just the big main three. On TikTok, in 9 videos, we did 43,000 views. And if you take all of those and add them up, 94,000, 128,000, 43,000, we get 265,000 views from this e-bike alone. Can you, I mean, I'm speechless. Can you believe that? If you guys are new to this channel, this is my first ever e-bike slash scooter. Now you will know, yes, it is technically a scooter, but I do call it an e-bike just because it's harder to explain to people that if you look at it, it's a bike. You know, it's not a scooter, but technically I believe that it is a scooter. And to know what this bike has done for growth and the channel, it even brought voromotors themselves over to my channel. And when I did one of my last milestone updates, I did it on this bike because it wouldn't have been possible without this bike. And they come and said congratulating me, and you have no idea how much that meant, right? Like, they're a pretty big company, you know. I imagine they're not, you know, Google, right? But it's a big company showing some love to tiny little guys like me, you know what I mean? And they didn't comment on one of like the big platforms like Instagram, where I have, like, you know, a bigger following than most people. No, they went to YouTube, where I have my smallest following, actually, believe it or not. I have 1,700 subscribers on YouTube. I average about 150,000 views, I think, like monthly or weekly-ish. I don't know what YouTube does, but they went to the smaller platform and they took the time out of their day, whether it was the content person, whether it was the CEO, you know, you never know who's behind it, but they came out of their way to congratulate me. And no company has ever done something like that to, you know, me, a small creator. And that meant so much to me. And without this bike, man, that wouldn't have been possible, you know. And I doubt voromotors will see this one, because, you know, they're working on the RoadRunner 2.0, and that meant so much to me as a small creator, being like, wow, you know, I gave them a good amount of money, and they were like, you know what, let's take the time to, like, congratulate it. Whether they watched it all the way through or not, they still went out of their day, their busy schedule, to freaking comment on it. And that means so much to me. And it is so cool. And that is why when anybody ever, like, asks to, what is this? Can I ride it? I always tell them yes. And every single time, I have never not had a person just be like, you know, sit on this and have a bad time. Like, genuinely, like any person that has, like, sat on this or rode this, they have literally said, I want to go buy one. like actually, nobody has ever like not had a good time on it, and it couldn't have been possible without this nice, beautiful piece of machinery underneath me. Man, shout out Voro. I hope they're like kicking butt when it comes to making a new version of this, because man, a lot of people want it. I'm telling you, this is awesome. This is freaking cool. Now, another thing I'm also going to tell you straight up right now, when it comes out, I might make a reaction video to it just because it's kind of cool, and you know, I do like what they do, and I love Voro. I mean, I do. I'm not you know, I'm not D-riding, but they're freaking, any problems I've had, they've solved. I mean, that Voro, I'm having a stroke. I'm speechless, man. They're freaking awesome. And like I was saying, I probably will not be able to get the version 2. Okay, this bike was very expensive, and I doubt that I will be able to afford the next one. I really wanted to try one of their dirt bikes, like their electric dirt bikes, because I've never like got to ride an electric dirt bike before, and I live in Colorado. There's mountains everywhere, there's trails everywhere, there's off-roads everywhere, right? Like, I think it'd be so cool to have one of those and be able to, you know, experience it. But you know, they're very expensive, boys. I don't know what to tell you. I'm sorry. I hope you still enjoy the content on the e-bike, because it's not going anywhere. The RoadRunner Pro by far has the biggest special place in my heart, and it's not even close. Oh my goodness gracious. There is a Miata, and my Miata is back up and running, baby. That is what I'm talking about. Let's freaking go. W looking car. Love that Miata. So I'm gonna try to do a little bit less yapping. I know the intro, I was very yap heavy, but gosh, I like, when I saw that post, it almost hurt me a little bit, you know? It's like, wow. Like, I don't know, it's such a cool bike. I mean, what better way to send off this e-bike than to like send it off into the sunset? You know what I mean? Like, look at this view. Are you kidding me? Look at that. Man, what a legendary bike, man. Gosh, that's so cool. I so wish I could afford the version 2, because you know that thing is going to be a ripper. Oh, yeah, that two-wheel drive, man. She'll get you when you're least expecting it. Oh, man. Let's just go back into single motor mode. How many miles is she sitting at? 429 miles. You got to do something for 500 miles. Like, that's a pretty big, like, that's almost half a thousand. Well, it's not almost half a thousand. It is half a thousand. We have to do something for 500. We have to. Look at that shot. The Mesa, there's people up there you guys can't see. RoadRunner Pro. Man, I've been smiling this whole time. Can you see? Can you tell? Can you tell I've been smiling this whole time? She deserves it. This bike deserves just a beautiful send-off. Ooh, that parking garage is new. I kind of want to go in there. Should we go in there? I think we're going to go in there. Let's see if we can go to the top. Oh, they're putting little plants. Yeah, this is like brand new. Wow, this is like a high-tech. Whoa, that screen is animated. That's so rad. Wow. This was probably multi-million dollars, and there ain't anybody in here. My goodness, guys. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Look at that. Sounds like a bike getting ready to go by down there. Oh, there they are. You hear how loud they are? Guys, come on. Get with the 2025. Come on. RoadRunner Pro, okay? You can sneak around and do some cool stuff. Not that I'm telling you to do that. Oh, we can get to the roof. We can get to the roof. We can get to the parking by permit only. Mom, I'm not parking. Are you freaking joking me? Look at that. Hello? What? Oh my gosh. Look at the view this parking lot gives you. I have to break out the cellular telly. We've got to take some pictures. Look at that. Oh God, guys, that's a thumbnail. Oh, my glove was stuck to me. That is a thumbnail. Wow, you can kind of really tell how far we've come. That big dome building is kind of over by like my house. Oh, look at that, boys. Can we see Boulder? Let's see if these pictures would look good. Oh, what the hell is that for? Why do we have that here? What does that say? Down to level P1 for exit discharge. What? What the hell does that mean? You mean to exit? Isn't discharge a bad thing that happens to women? What's for exit discharge? What? Shouldn't it just be exit? I don't know. Wow. All right, we got to do some more riding before it gets too dark. What a cool parking garage. Is that a key? Oh, it's a spoon. That's disgusting. Oh, wow. I can see right into their backyard. I'm not a peeping Tom. I promise. I didn't know your backyard was there. Oh, look at our reflection. Look at us. Put the helmet down. Hey, hold on. Look at us. Look at us. Oh, look, are those cameras? Oh, they are getting my license plate. Guess what, goobers? I don't have a freaking license plate. Woo! Almost slipped. Oh, that echoed so loud. I hope there's nobody in here. That was so loud and so embarrassing. I'm so sorry. I'm embarrassed. Oh, look at this big hill in front of us. We have to mob this big hill. Come on now. Holy goodness. Oh, my nose itches. Oh, gosh. Oh! Oh, yeah. You know what, though? Oh, God, that is a dip and a half. Oh, gosh. Oh, my goodness. You know, ow. I'd rather have an itchy nose and an itchy head. If you wear a helmet like this and you get an itchy head, oh, God bless, dude. You're sitting here like trying to think that you can get through it, and then you have to take your helmet and do this like one of these Johnnies. Oh my goodness, it is the absolute worst, brothers. But a nose itch, I can handle. I can handle the nose itch because I can reach it. Where do you lead? Let's, woo! Let's, oh my gosh, I was not expecting that dip there. Oh, look at that dude. Shirtless, chilling on his porch. Probably like a $2 million, oh my goodness, probably like a $2 million house. You know what, buddy? You deserve that. You deserve that. He probably worked his butt off, and he's like, just like, he's letting his gut hang out and everything. You know what? I aspire to be you. One day, that will be me, okay? That will be me, I promise. God, look at these freaking houses. If I take this e-bike in there, they're gonna think I'm freaking robbing the place. They probably got them old, you know, them old people that like are always like, did you hear the 3 loud booms? Anybody know what's going on? No, Kathy, quit being nosy, okay? Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, they'll probably have them binoculars sitting out there like this. Do you know who this guy is on this tiny little bicycle? Is he around this neighborhood? You already know that there's some Kathy in that neighborhood just waiting to pounce on somebody like me. Did you guys see him? Anybody know who that is? Like, you shut up, Kathy. Ooh, let's go into the school. God, when I did that last one, I punched myself square in the frickin' face, dude. I've actually never been over here. Oh, there's a motorcycle. A lot of people do their motorcycle class in this parking lot. Should we take the e-bike through it? Oh, this is a dead end. Oh, well, this is absolutely the most embarrassing thing. There's also kids right there, and they're high schoolers, so you know they're making fun of me. That's a dead end. Okay, that's embarrassing. But you know what I can do? I can go like this. Oh, don't have to go all the way around. Just hit one of those, and now looky here. We're where I wanted to be. Yeah, we can't do that with a Grom. Oh gosh, I hit my shin though. Look at my shin. Oh, you guys can't see my shin. That hurted. Let's go find this motorcycle place. Should we see if I can still pass? Oh, I don't even, hold on. Oh, I see. Okay, so here's the squiggly line one. Let's do it. No feet challenge. Here we go. Oh yeah, with ease, boys. Come on now. I still got it. It's almost like I ride every day for YouTube. Oh yeah, look at that. And then you're supposed to like stop in one of these boxes, I think. Oh, look at that. Money, dude. Oh, maybe this is the stop one. Yeah, I think that's the stop one. We'll come from this way. Lock in. I don't remember what the speed you have to get up to is. Ready? And stop. Oh, that's not bad. That's not a bad one. Let's do it again. Oh, here we go. Balance test. Should we go as slow as we can? Oh yeah, look at this. Oh yeah, we're locked. Oh, we are locked in. Follow the line. Oh, my visor's fogging up. Follow the line. Have to put my feet down. No foot, no foot, no foot. Still no feet. Still no feet. Still no feet. Oh yeah, I still got the balance part of it. I want to do that again. Lock in. Oh, I had to. Stop test. And now. That's pretty good. Boys, I think we still got it. Ow, gosh, I really hit my chin though. Shin, not chin. Oh yeah. I got myself. Ignore these ugly legs. I sunburn, you know, that's owie. Oh, a drop top Camaro. Oh, be abused. Some of them want. Yeah, okay, Camaro guy. Wait, hold on, Camaro guy's jamming. Let me catch up to that guy. Move, Scion. Let me catch up to this guy. Dude, he was bumping, dude. Some of them want. The Marilyn Manson version is better. I said it. You can hate me if you want. It's the Marilyn Manson version's better. Dude, what a freaking legend, dude. Driving a drop top Camaro, bumping that song, cruising on a like 60-ish degree night. Dude, what a freaking legend, bro. What an actual legend. Oh my goodness, missed that pothole. Oh, look at him, look at him. Yeah. Yeah, dude, that's so sick. What a beast, bro. I can still hear it. Sweet dreams of me. Oh, that is so freaking cool. Dude, I aspire to be you one day, man. You know what? I can be him just in a Miata, okay? I don't have Camaro money, but I do have Miata money. and it's got a temp tag on it. You know he just bought that just to do exactly that. Dude, you're a legend. Legend. He's honking at that guy. Dude, quit getting in his way. What are you doing? Let the man have his moment. He is the main character. We're just NPCs in his game. Let the man have his moment. Don't make him honk and stressed out, bro. Enjoy it. Oh my God, dude, I'm crying. That was actually hilarious. How long have we been out here? We've been riding for over an hour. Wow. It is time. Let's ride her towards the sunset. Now, it is cloudy, so it's not going to be perfect, but I did my best. Okay, she deserved it. I did my best. Hello, horsies. Oh, don't get your head stuck. I'm sure you could get it out, but you got a big ass head in that little tiny fence. Don't get your head stuck. You know what? Listen, I know Voro isn't going to make it this far, nor are they probably going to watch this, but good job. This thing's insane. Watch out, bunny. I know you can't hear me. Woo! I almost just died right there, though. Look at that. Now, I got to be careful parking it on a hill because this has no gears, so it will just roll, right? Boys, I mean, are you joking me? Come on. Oh, can you see the little tractor? Look at that tiny little tractor. It's got a snowblower on the front. Look at that tiny little tractor. It's probably average size, you know. I don't want to hate and be that guy, you know. That is the cutest thing I've ever seen in my entire life. Dude, that's got to be smaller than my Miata. Oh, there's a bird. There's a bird. Hi, birdie. Oh, is there people around? That's so embarrassing. Okay. Hey, hi. You want to be in my thumbnail? Can I take your picture? Oh, there's one of his feathers, I think. Can I take your picture? Look at the pretty bird. Oh, he let me take his picture. He's still there. Hi, Mr. Bird. Oh. That's rude. Why would they do such a thing? Are you kidding me? What an absolute legendary machine. Wow. I don't know what else to say. I really don't. I think this is the perfect spot to end it. I mean, you can't get much better than that. Look at that. Well, I can't think of a better spot to end it right here than with the sun going down, the RoadRunner Pro, and just this absolute gorgeous view. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope I didn't bore you with all the yapping, but this bike really does mean something to me and it helped me grow so much. I wish I could try out the 2.0 when it gets around, but I probably, I'll be honest, won't be able to afford it. So thank you guys for coming along on this journey with me. Thank you to the RoadRunner Pro for taking me on this journey. Couldn't have done it without it, and you guys already know the drill. If you enjoyed, please make sure to like, subscribe, comment, share with a friend. RIP the RoadRunner Pro, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.